Samsung Galaxy J7 Plus in addition to is the most recent variation of the J7 series. Samsung Galaxy J7 Plus in addition to runs Android 7.0 Nougat. The cell phone has a 5.5-inch Full HD Super AMOLED show. It has double 13 plus 5 MP back camera at the back with a drove streak and a 16 MP forward-looking camera. The gadget is fueled by a 2.39 GHz octa-center Exynos processor and 4 GB Smash. It has 32 GB inward stockpiling which can additionally be extended by means of a microSD card. Network choices incorporate 4G, Wi-Fi 802.11, Bluetooth 4.2, GPS, NFC, and a microSD 2.0 port. The gadget is fueled by non-removable Li-Particle 3000 mAh battery.